I grew up in a family of 7. Hillsborough is certainly a part still of each of our lives in so many ways. I mean, our grandparents lived there, my parents lived there. Hillsborough certainly sits as a backdrop to the way that I think about my science. And when I was 16 years old, I did an internship at the University of North Carolina, and I just fell in love with the scientific process. I felt like I was a scientist after that summer, and I just could not stop trying to be a scientist. We were able to get a vaccine into a phase 1 clinical trial in 66 days because of the large amount of research that was done prior to my team even working on coronaviruses. And there's research on messenger RNA and its use to deliver therapeutic proteins that has been going on for, upwards of 10 to 15 years. There were MERS and SARS, which are other coronaviruses that other viral immunologists and vaccinologists had worked on previously. And then with us, we were really interested in understanding the fundamental basic biology of surface proteins on coronaviruses. And we did that in a collaborative network of our group at the National Institutes of Health, groups even at the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, Ralph Barrick's group. And in that collaborative effort, we really laid a foundation for the vaccine development that led way into this rapid SARS-CoV-2 vaccine development. I am very heavily still involved in the COVID-19 vaccine response. There is a vaccine, but there are continuing understanding of how the vaccine protects against variants, the question of whether to boost or not. So many fundamental viral immunology questions to assess from this vaccine response that could help us with future vaccine responses, whether it be for coronaviruses or other viruses that are similar. Also, really answering some really fundamental viral immunology questions, going back to that foundational work that happened prior to the pandemic to further decipher those questions, to further assess what the viral immunology across the coronavirus viral family looks like, so that we can help to further vaccine development further with more novel vaccines. So mRNA is one thing, but there's so many different platforms that have the potential to revolutionize modern medicine, and we're going to explore those.